If you're looking at motor yachts sub 90 feet, then Synergy deserves your attention. Welcome to Motor Yacht Synergy. My name's Rupert Covell. I'm a broker with 26 North Yachts, and I'm looking forward to showing you around this 2017 86-foot Sunseeker out here in Deadman's Bay, BVI. Let's have a look. The most striking feature that we will see throughout the whole vessel is the high wood gloss veneer that goes throughout the whole boat. You can see that it has a piano key finish, and the whole dining area here is made to match that theme. Enough seating for 8 guests, which will all be sleeping inside of the 4 staterooms that we have on board. For the size of vessel, she has a huge amount of headroom and also natural light that comes in through these incredible windows. And right here is another key feature, an on-deck balcony, which is accessible from the saloon dining area, which allows you to go see the incredible beauty of whichever destination you're in. The balcony can be used for morning coffee, evening cocktails, or even like a jumping base to enjoy whichever waters you may be in. Whilst looking downstairs amongst all the cabins, you can see here that they've gone for the ultra suede finishing. Again, another very high-end feature that separates this not just from other boats of this size, but also other Sunseekers. Have a semi-floating staircase guiding you to the 3 staterooms down here in the main heart, in the main belly of the boat. Right here underneath the staircase, we have a fully customized wine rack, which was created purely for this vessel and is one of a kind. Down here, we've got 2 convertible twin rooms to switch between twins or queens. And if you follow me here, we'll have a look at the master suite. We have the ultra suede headboard with dual lamps on either side. Vanity. You have a full head height walk-in wardrobe with the matching wood finishes throughout the vessel. As you go past the twin seating available in the master, you go into an incredibly spacious, beautifully designed master bathroom. His and her sinks, corner mirrors, full-size shower with twin heads, beautifully set up for any owner to enjoy. As we leave the saloon and dining area behind us, we have the day head on our starboard side, which has huge open windows, allowing for incredible views. We've got the galley with a partition, which can close and separate the helm station area from the galley, or you open it up to make service as seamless as possible when doing dining. We have a crew dining area here, so that the crew can enjoy their meals separate. So in the pilot house, the theme of the ultra suede finishing continues. Here they've gone for a darker finish, and this offers a lot of benefits to the boat. It has a tactile soft finish. It has an anti-glare benefit, which is really key when navigating. And it's also got an acoustic benefit for dampening all of the surround sound. At the helm station on Synergy, we've got complete control of the whole vessel, including great visibility of the bow. We've got triple screens for all the possible navigation and boat management systems. On board, we have MTU V12 engines that are just under 2,000 horsepower each. Twin seats up here with diamond stitching, providing complete comfort. The VIP on this boat is undeniably an incredible room. Okay, as you come in, we have here another vanity. We've got full head height walk-in wardrobe again. We've got the ultra suede surrounding to the TV, a leather padded headboard, again with 2 bedside lamps on either side. Embedded lighting into the ceiling with more surround suede features, and another incredible bathroom to walk into with dual shower heads, mirrors, and again this piano key high veneer gloss finish. Okay, in one of the 2 twin rooms that we have on board, they've converted this one to a queen with the option of doing exactly the same in the other side. Now, despite only having 4 guest cabins, you also have Pullmans which fold down from the cabin walls in both of the twin rooms, allowing a maximum capacity of 10 guests on board this vessel, creating a lovely family vibe for if you have those larger parties or those larger groups wanting to join you on board. As we leave the saloon and go into the cockpit, In between these full-size ceiling height glass doors, you can see the main outdoor dining area for all 8 or 10 guests. So at the stern of the vessel, I'm standing on a fully functional passerelle, allowing you to transition off the boat to whichever dock that you may be residing in front of. We also have here the main tender to the vessel, a 14-foot Zodiac with a 60 horsepower Yamaha engine on the swim platform at the stern. This is also the access to the crew quarters and engine room inside. As we go further up to the bow, we also have side access to the pilot house and the helm station, allowing quick exit for the crew without having to go through the saloon or the dining area on board the vessel. Up at the bow of the vessel, we have fully reclining sunbeds, enough for 5 people, and we've got a potential another additional dining area up here, allowing you to enjoy the view of the vessel from the bow as opposed to the stern or inside. This is a popular hangout area again for morning breakfasts and also for sunsets. We also have speakers up here at the front, and they've got a full Sonos sound system throughout the whole vessel. Here we've got the port side exit from the galley. So from the pilot house, you exit on the starboard side, galley, you exit on the port side. This allows crew to get around the boat without disturbing any of the guests towards the stern in the saloon or dining area. So to make docking even easier and to give the captain a better view of the stern of the vessel when maneuvering close quarters, we have a port side stern wing station. Up here on the Flybridge, possibly the most beautiful part of the vessel, we're protected from the sun with a carbon fiber hard top, but you have the option of opening up this huge sunroof if you want a few more rays. We've got the navigation station up here where the captain can enjoy or can control the whole vessel and all systems on board, meanwhile maintaining good visibility out the forward of the boat. As we walk towards the stern, we've got a giant outdoor bar with barbecue, fridge, freezer, ice maker, glass cleaner for quick turnaround and increased service. We've got a giant outdoor table which can fold up if you've got a smaller party on board. And then the main feature is this hot tub. Happily sits 4 people, I'm sure you can get 6 in there. We've got an electric awning, again giving you the option of being able to enjoy the stern of the Flybridge in sun or shade, depending what your preference is. We have the recently rebuilt Besenzoni hydraulic davit, which can provide you the option of having a second tender or a large jet ski up here, depending what your preference is. If you're looking at motor yachts sub 90 feet, then Synergy deserves your attention. She has a very unique designer-assisted, beautiful interior that is one of a kind, and she has a meticulously maintained systems and maintenance program on board. If you have any more questions or you want to get in touch, please contact Rupert Covell from 26 North Yachts. I'll be very happy to answer them or book a viewing. There's plenty to see. Many thanks.